Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Japanese gifts is probably one of the most exciting ways to show your appreciation. Whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, or just because, finding the perfect present can be a delightful journey. In this video, we'll explore a curated selection of Japanese gifts for women, from traditional crafts to modern treasures, ensuring you find something special that she'll absolutely adore. Number 5. Homedics Silver Springs Tabletop Fountain. This tabletop fountain is perfect for adding a calming touch to any room. It features a 3-tiered waterfall design and natural stones, creating a tranquil atmosphere. The built-in submersible pump keeps the water circulating and clean. Simply fill the basin and enjoy the soothing sounds. It also includes an on-off switch for easy use. The Asian-inspired design features 3 leaf tiers and a deep basin. The unique lighting creates a soft reflection, enhancing the serene ambience of the running water. Use this fountain to relax after a long day or create a peaceful environment. It's perfect for the bedroom, nursery, or even your workspace, helping you to center yourself. Your purchase includes the Enviroscape Silver Springs Relaxation Fountain, natural river rocks, and all necessary components. Everything you need to create a calming oasis is included. What we like. This fountain creates a tranquil atmosphere with its gentle water sounds and soft lighting. If you're looking to create a relaxing space in your home or office, this is a perfect choice. It's easy to set up and maintain, making it a hassle-free addition to your decor. What people say. Simple, elegant design. Setting up the fountain took less than 5 minutes. Place the rocks, fill the basin with water, and plug it into an outlet. The 8.25 size is compact enough to fit almost anywhere without dominating the space, and the combination of the neutral base and natural river rocks creates a genuine zen aesthetic. Number 4. Grace and Stella Under Eye Mask. Tired eyes are a thing of the past. These under-eye patches are designed to make you look and feel your best. Incorporate them into your daily routine for a refreshed and youthful appearance. Say goodbye to puffiness, bags, and swelling. This cooling mask helps reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. Enjoy your me time while achieving hydrated and tightened under-eye skin. Unlike other products, this mask is vegan and free of parabens and sulfates. It's gentle on sensitive skin and formulated with hyaluronic acid to moisturize dry under eyes. You'll see instant results. Looking for a great gift? These eye patches are perfect for any occasion. They're a great stocking stuffer or a thoughtful present for anyone who enjoys self-care. Used by celebrities, this product is a must-have for your beauty routine. It's a vegan and effective way to achieve brighter, more youthful-looking eyes. Try it and see the difference. What we like. These under-eye patches are designed to reduce puffiness and dark circles, leaving your eyes looking refreshed. If you have a busy lifestyle or simply want to enhance your self-care routine, they are a great addition. The vegan formula ensures that it's gentle on your skin. What people say. The product is well made and the design is beautiful. The item is exactly as pictured and described. The packaging was also very nice. Number 3. Body Restore Clarity Shower Steamer 6-pack. These aromatherapy shower melts dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils. They help you immerse yourself in deep relaxation with a refreshing citrus blend scent. These shower bombs last longer than standard tablets. It's ideal for those who want to feel rejuvenated the natural way. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for anyone who needs a little self-care. These shower steamers are convenient and compact, perfect for on-the-go relaxation. They transform any shower into a luxurious spa experience. Spoil your loved ones with these shower steamers. They are the ultimate choice for spa gifts, relaxation, and stress relief. What we like. These shower steamers offer a spa-like experience with their aromatherapy benefits, helping you to relax and de-stress. If you are looking for a way to unwind after a long day or need a travel-friendly way to relax, they are perfect. It transforms your shower into a fragrant oasis. What people say. The quality of the material is excellent. The design is very beautiful. The product is well made. Number 2. LeafLife Bamboo Tea Infuser Bottle 17 ounces. Introducing the LeafLife Bamboo Tea Infuser Bottle. This stylish and eco-friendly tumbler is perfect for enjoying your favorite hot or cold beverages on the go. It's designed for tea lovers and anyone who appreciates a touch of nature. This 17-ounce bamboo tumbler is made with high-quality materials and a sleek design. It's crafted from 100% organic bamboo, giving it a unique look. Its detachable tea filters make it a perfect travel companion. Thanks to its double-walled, stainless steel interior, this tumbler keeps drinks hot for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours. The vacuum insulation technology ensures your beverages stay at the ideal temperature for longer. The LeafLife bottle is a smart, earth-friendly choice. It's made with non-toxic materials, free of harmful chemicals. Using this tumbler helps reduce plastic waste and is BPA and lead-free certified. This tumbler comes with a bonus 2-piece detachable tea infuser. You can brew your favorite loose tea in 3 ways. It's also great for fruit-infused drinks and herbal beverages. To care for your tumbler, simply hand wash it with soapy water. LeafLife is confident in its product quality and offers excellent customer service. Your satisfaction is their priority. What we like. This bamboo tea bottle keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature for hours, whether hot or cold. If you like to enjoy tea or other beverages on the go and want an eco-friendly option, this is a great choice. It's also versatile, allowing you to brew tea in multiple ways. What people say. The product is well made and the design is beautiful. The quality of the material is excellent. The item is exactly as described and pictured. Number 1. Paper Love Cherry Blossom 3D Pop-Up Card. This beautiful pop-up card from Paper Love features a stunning pink cherry blossom tree. It's a memorable gift for Valentine's Day and other special occasions. You can keep it as a keepsake. These 3D pop-up cards are made from premium cardstock. The intricate details are laser-cut and handcrafted by skilled paper artists. This ensures it is a perfect Valentine's Day card. The 5x7-inch card is flat when folded. Opening it reveals a delightful sculpture, creating a heartwarming moment. It's perfect for any special occasion. Each pop-up card includes a removable note tag for your warm wishes. This ensures the card stays in perfect condition. It is ideal as a gift for friends and family. There is no printed greeting on the pop-up card, making it suitable for many occasions. It's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or just to say thank you. It is a wonderful gift. What we like. This pop-up card features a beautiful 3D cherry blossom design, making it a memorable gift. If you are looking for a unique and heartfelt way to express your feelings for any occasion, it is a perfect choice. It's handcrafted with intricate details and includes a note tag for a personal touch. What people say. The product is well made and the design is beautiful. The item is exactly as pictured and described. The packaging was very nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.